What's up, guys? It's Ryan from RPS Dent Repair giving you an update on the Beta glue pulling tool trolley. Been using it for about 2 weeks. It's awesome. I have no complaints. The locking wheel casters over here work really well. In the truck, out of the truck. Tight areas, I mean, you can kind of see it fits in a perfect parking spot in between two cars. It's been really, the sliding doors are more convenient than I thought they were going to be. Certainly when you need tabs, I've kind of got my tabs lined up in here to make it really easy to throw the extras up in the hole. But it's been working really well. I really can't complain. You know, it's a perfect product for what we do as a mobile tech. It would even be good in the shop. So we did a hail cart yesterday and I wasn't even glue pulling, and I just set tools on it and it worked really well. So get it from Kiko.com or Amazon. Check it.